Today we have a lot of animal toys. Are you ready, toddlers? Today we have a lot of animals. Some farm animals, some wild animals, and some safari animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a hen. This is a hen. H is for hen. This is a deer. D is for deer. This is a cow. C is for cow. This is a duck. D is for duck. This is a leopard. This is a panda. P is for panda. This is a lioness. This is a lioness. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a peacock. P is for peacock. This is a lion. L is for lion. This is a gorilla. This is a cat.